So once you've logged in, if it takes you to the tutorial page, if you click on the little Tinkercad logo over here, it should take you to a page similar to this. You can see that I have a lot of designs because I've been doing this for a while now. But what I want to do in this session is just show you some basic tools that you will be using in the program. So I'm going to click on Create a New Design. And you'll see a screen that comes up like this. Okay, so starting left to right and top to bottom, we'll go through. If I click on Design here, I have a lot of options. We'll be mostly using Download for 3D Printing, which will save an STL file that we'll use. You have your edits, that, your help. You have your undo, redo, your adjust, and I'll show you what that does. Your group and ungroup. The way you move around here with our little compass. Use left and right buttons. You can also use the plus and the minus to zoom in, and if you need to go back to the beginning, just hit home. It'll go back to home. As you're working with the mouse, if you hold down the right mouse key, I can spin and turn so I can see the bottom of my object as well. I can spin. If I hold down the shift key, I can pan left and right. And if I scroll with my mouse on my wheel, I can zoom in. All right, and then I can zoom out. Again, taking me back to home. On the right-hand side, these are for the drop-downs, which are right here. But on the right-hand side, you'll see different things. You have shape generator, helpers, import, etc. We'll get into those in later videos. Basically, you guys are going to start with geometrics right here and holes. But what's nice about this program is I can make any shape a hole. It doesn't have to be a hole, designated hole. There's letters, there's numbers, and there's symbols and extras. Okay. You can also import an SVG file, which I can show you how to do that later on as well. That you can design something and then you can import it into Tinkercad and extrude it and make it into a three-dimensional shape. Okay. So those are some of the basic tools that you will be using Tinkercad.